Welcome to the Hollow Grind. Sharp and out of this world. Two sweet autos from D-Rocket Designs, the Green Fin and the Zulu OTFs. Designed by David Caston, he has some of the most unique and original designs in the knife world today. Let's take a closer look at both of these models. The Zulu OTF is a simple and elegant no-nonsense design with a semi-custom mid-tech build. It's a perfect-sized EDC blade that has a crisp deployment and lockup. The button is conveniently placed on the large flat side of the chassis. Gripping the handle feels even more comfortable than most side button styled OTF autos. Though this model does not come with a pocket clip, but it will disappear in your pocket and definitely is worth getting a small slipcase for it. By comparison, the Green Fin has a uniquely sculpted chassis and a custom pocket clip that will grab your attention. This one features the more familiar side opening button. It fits well in my large hands and deploys quickly. The blade has a false top grind and the satin finish is clean and even. Both these models offer a sub 3-inch blade, and I find that this is the perfect size for EDC use. D-Rocket Design only offers the highest grade materials. Here's a general overview of the blades. The Zulu overall length is 6.8 inches long with a blade length of 2.8 inches. The blade steel is M390. The Green Fin overall length is 6 3/4 inches long with a blade length of 2 3/4 inches long with a blade steel of M390. Here's a slow overview of the knives. Thank you for joining us. Please visit us at The Hollow Grind. Also join us on Facebook and YouTube. Subscribe to our channels. Don't forget to use your Save 10 discount code during checkout. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.